Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. Today we're looking at a STihl 084 AVE, made in 1986. It's a 121 cc motor, 7.42 cubic inch, and it reaches 7.9 horsepower. It's got a 36-inch organ bar on it, sprocket nose, with a 3/8 chisel skip tooth chain. And this saw set up just like this new, if you were to buy it today, you'd spend about $1,800. It doesn't have a chain brake. The handguard's missing and the band's missing, and it needs some oiler work. The oiler works, but you got to do some work on this saw. It does run good. It has 150 psi. And it is set up with that foam filter. That's very popular around here. They're easy to maintain. You just blow them out. You do want to put some oil on them, some of that uni oil, wring them out, and they're real easy to maintain. Let's go out and make a cut with it.